pizza is without a doubt a delicacy that is enjoyed on a large scale and may easily be consumed. People all over the world delight in consuming the wide array of delicacies available, since the pizza may be prepared using a wide range of distinctive components. Nevertheless, can you even imagine eating a pizza in outer space? How would the experience feel like? Stay tuned as in today's video, we take a look at pizza delivery in space. The pizza delivery. Now just recently, the Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia, which is a part of NASA, successfully launched a Cygnus Cargo, which sent more than 3,600 kilograms of supplies to the International Space Station's 7 crew members. The ultra-long-range cargo consisted of everything from fresh fruits and veggies to the mounting gear for a new pair of solar wings and a slime mold for a French educational experiment dubbed Blob. There were a number of different nations represented on board, and 3 of the astronauts came from the United States. In order to keep them entertained while they were weightless, a pizza-making kit and a selection of cheeses were provided to them. Thomas Pest, an astronaut from France who is now stationed aboard the International Space Station, was the one who recently posted a photo of the crew members to his social media account. On board the International Space Station, there are 7 astronauts, and they were enjoying a pizza party while floating in space. The video of the pizza party has received over 727,000 views and hundreds of comments. In the video, that lasts 1 minute and 24 seconds, we get to see the astronauts putting together their pizzas from the bottom layer to the top. After that, ingredients such as pizza sauce, cheese, and toppings like pepperoni are put on the pizza. The video shows them drifting in space for the majority of the time. After some time has passed, the pizzas are ready, and the astronauts hold them up for a photo. Edibles eaten in space. As part of a resupply mission, the pizza kit ingredients were sent to the International Space Station. The rocket was carrying other foods, some of which included kiwis, apples, and tomatoes. The team can be seen hovering in midair in front of the diners as they make unsuccessful attempts to spread pizza sauce and add toppings to their pizzas, which look to be quite difficult. The astronauts were also given a variety of other treats during their mission. Among these were quesadillas with cheese, cookies, and a cake that was decorated with chocolate candles. Despite this video going viral, the International Space Station has received pizza deliveries before, so it's not the first time it's happened. In July of 2000, Pizza Hut made history by being the first company in all of corporate history to place its brand on the world's largest Proton rocket. This event marked the beginning of the competition to commercialize spaceflight, as in the year 2001, they were the first food delivery business to successfully launch a pizza into space. The Russian space agency known as Roscosmos came to a deal with the pizza delivery company to provide their products to the International Space Station. According to the claims made by the pizza company, salami held up better than pepperoni throughout the required 60-day test than pepperoni did. This led to salami being used in place of pepperoni, NASA's take on space advertisement. Despite all the effort, the United States Space Agency has a regulation that prohibits advertisements from being shown on board their spacecraft, so it was reported that NASA banned the U.S. crew from eating any of the pizza that they were paid to deliver. According to the official records, the Russian cosmonaut Yuri Usachov was the first person in human history to consume pizza while traveling through space on May 22, 2001. According to the BBC's reporting, Pizza Hut forked over approximately $1 million to the Russian Space Agency in order for their supply rocket to transport the pizza to the International Space Station. This was paid for them to receive footage showing Mr. Usachov flashing a thumbs up after eating the pizza. In order to counteract the impact that weightlessness has on human taste buds, Usachov's pizza was seasoned with an increased amount of salt and other spices. Because of NASA's no ads on the spaceship restriction, the American crew members were not permitted to eat any of Usachov's pizza. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on pizza delivery on space? Is it a fantastic experience you desire? Let us know in the comments section below, and go through the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.